Yes, well, ISP has a multiplicity of cases. This is among one of such cases. This one is filed by a certain group of people who refer themselves as consigned joint interest group of the INC. Now, first, there is nothing or an organ referred to as consigned joint interest group in the INC. That's number one. Then number two is that they are challenging the validity or otherwise of the election conducted on the 13th day of April 2006, 2026. Now, what are they challenging? They are challenging the fact that Section 14 and Section 21 and 22 of the INC Constitution talked about the issue of C3, which is the traditional rulers, elders and traditional rulers council, that there were disputes as at when the elections were conducted, that those disputes ought to be resolved first before the conduct of the election. That's the grounds of their matter. But we, in our own, had raised several issues touching on the jurisdiction of the court. In fact, we even talk about forum shopping, that instead of this matter to be conducted, to be tried at Yenengwa, where the cause of action arose, they rushed down to Port Harcourt and tried the instant suit here in Rivers State. That's one. The other issue we raised is that by Section 21 of the INC Constitution, which talked about dispute resolution, the role of the city, which is Council of the Traditional Rulers and Elders Conference, can only come in when elections have been conducted, and then a 5-man panel is set up to look at the grievances resulting from the elections and then resolve those issues. That is only when they can come in through what they call judicial arm of the INC, not before the election. That notion is wrongly initiated and put forward by the claimant. Now, the court on its own today raised suo motu the issue of jurisdiction, particularly territorial jurisdiction, and ruled that the court in Rivers State does not have the jurisdiction to entertain the matter and the matter has been struck. They're free to do so. They should peacefully concede to the fact that the election was conducted validly and new executive council has emerged in a person led by High Chief Barrister McDonald Igbado.